Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your thought leadership blog from Ghost to LinkedIn step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Ghost account. Navigate to the blog post you want to transfer. Click on the post to open it in the editor. Select the content of the post, including the title, text, and any images. Copy the entire content to your clipboard. Open a new tab and log into your LinkedIn account. Go to the LinkedIn homepage. Locate the Start a Post section at the top of your feed. Click in the text box to begin a new post. Paste the content you copied from Ghost. Make sure the formatting appears as you want it to. Edit the title to fit LinkedIn's post format. Consider adding relevant hashtags to increase visibility. If your Ghost post includes images, upload them to LinkedIn. You can do this by clicking the image icon in the post creator. Select the images from your device that you wish to include. Preview your post to ensure everything looks correct. Once satisfied, click Post to publish your content. Check your LinkedIn feed to confirm your post appears as expected. Consider engaging with comments and feedback from your connections. Repeat these steps for any additional posts you want to transfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.